So hey guys, welcome to our new channel SCOPY Tech, and we will unbox our new Foldscope today that I have ordered from Amazon. So let's get started. And we have our Foldscope here. Make sure to subscribe our channel and support our new channel. So we have our Foldscope here. We have received on a bag. As you can see, we have a manual. And see, this is of Foldscope instruments. And so guys, this is a very nice moment. So friends, we have our Foldscope here like this. So I am not sure that I will make a video of assembling. I have a playlist, so please make sure to watch that. So we will assemble this Foldscope later. And we have a Foldscope manual here, so we don't know. And we have some lenses here, and it is called coupler. So I am not sure how to deattach that. So friends, I will tell you later that how to deattach that. So here is a paper, we don't know. And this is our sticker, and this is the lenses, and which we have to attach to our lenses. So I don't have any idea how to assemble that. So, and this is a Foldscope field guide. So these are some microorganisms you can see, and we don't know that, we don't want that. And we have our, finally we have our guide of assembling the Foldscope. So this is, I cannot tell you that how to, that means if I assemble the Foldscope in this video, that would be so long, and I don't know this, what is okay, this is some of cleaning stuff. And this is our bag we have received from Foldscope instruments. So guys, we will tell you tomorrow or in another video that how to assemble that. And I have a playlist of this 1 minute this Foldscope instruments official channel of Foldscope. So make sure to watch that playlist, and we will make a video of how to weave on Foldscope. So guys, make sure to subscribe and like our video. So we will meet in our next video. So तब तक के लिए